Now let us study how to write numbers in expanded form. We're going to look at whole numbers and we're going to look at decimal numbers. For whole numbers, our place values increase from the left to the right. We're going to identify the place value of each number and then multiply each of the numbers by the place value of the position that they sit. Let's look at some examples. 83, so this right here, 3 is ones, and then 8 is tens. So 83 is equal to 8 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1. So this is going to give us 80 plus 3. So 83. So either one of these two forms should be fine. We look at 406. We have 6 is 1, 0 is in the tens place, and 4 is in the 100 place. So we have 406 is going to be equal to 4 times 100 plus 0 times 10 plus 6 times 1. So this is 400 plus 0 plus 6. 8,300. So we have, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, and this is 1,000. So we have 8,300 is equal to 8 multiplied by 8,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1. So this is going to give us 8,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 0. So that is what 8,300 is. Some teachers may tell you that you don't need the 0. That's also fine, but I'm trying to show you the breakdown of how to expand it based on the place value. So 36,482, we have, this is ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the thousands place, and this is your 10,000 place. So 36,482 is equal to 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 6 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 8 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So this is going to be 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2. So that is the breakdown for 36,482. Now with this number, let's start with ones here, we have tens here, we have 100 here, 1,000, we have 10,000, we have 100,000, and here we have 1,000,000. Okay. Let's write this in expanded form. So we have 7,587,205. This is going to be 7 multiplied by 1,000,000 plus 5 multiplied by 100,000 10,000 plus 8 multiplied by 10,000 plus 7 multiplied by 1,000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1. So 7587205 is equal to 7 with 6 zeros plus 5 with 5 zeros plus 8 with 4 zeros plus 7 with 3 zeros plus 2 zeros plus 0 plus 5. Now in this case, this is going to be about 6 billion. So what we're going to do here is we have 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 8. This is equal to 6 multiplied by, let's see how many zeros. We have 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3 plus 7 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you have 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Okay. Plus 5 multiplied by, it's going to be about 1,000,000 here, plus 2 multiplied by 100,000 plus 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 1 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1. So another way we can write this, we have 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 8. This is going to be 6 billion. So we have 9 zeros here plus 700 million, 8 zeros plus 5 million plus 200,000 plus 30,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 8. Now when we look at decimal numbers, we always go from the right. Whole numbers go from right to left, so they increase from right to left. Decimal numbers decrease from left to right. So we're going to identify place value of each number, and then we're going to multiply each of those numbers by its place value. So we're going to use this right here. So we've done some of these whole numbers, so let's do this. 36, we'll focus on the whole number portion of it first, 482.5. So this is going to be 3 times, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, plus 6 times 3 zeros, plus 4 times 2 zeros in the digit, plus 8 times, we have 10 here, plus 2 times 1, plus, now for the 0.5, there's only one digit after the decimal, so it's going to be 5 times 0.1. So this is going to give us 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2 plus 0.5. Now for 862,485.03, we have 8 multiplied by 100,000 plus 6 multiplied by 10,000 plus 2 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 8 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 0.1 plus 3 multiplied by, now we have 2 digits after the decimal, so 3 multiplied by 0.01. So this is going to give us 800,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0.03. So that is 862,485.03. Now our final set of examples, we have 36482.574. So we have, we have a comma here, so we have 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 6 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 8 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 0.1 plus 7 multiplied by 0.01 plus, now we have 3 digits after the decimal, or 3 numbers after the decimal. We have 4 multiplied by 0.001. So 36,482.574 is 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5 plus, oh, that's an error. Actually, that ought to be 2 times 1 here, and this ought to be 2, and then plus 0.5 plus 0.07 plus 0.004. Now in this case, we have 3862,485.402. We have 3 multiplied by 1,000,000 plus 8 multiplied by 100,000 plus 6 multiplied by 10,000 plus 2 multiplied by 1,000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 8 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 0.1 plus 0 multiplied by 0.01 plus 2 multiplied by 0.001. So now 3862,485.402. We have 3 million plus 800,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 8 plus 5, no, that's 80. Now plus 0.4 plus 0 plus 0.002. Now let's have a quick summary, a quick recap of this. With each of the digits, when you start from the left hand side, you notice that you can replace all the digits towards the right, at least before the decimal, with zeros, and then as you move toward the right, your number of zeros start to reduce, and then when you get to the decimal, as you go from the left to the right, the number of your zeros in the decimal increase by one each time you move towards the right. So that's where there's a difference between the decimal expanded form and the whole number expanded form.